Happy morning, my dear students. Class 2nd Standard, Subject General Knowledge. Dear students, our last class we learned 7 wonders of the world. Now I ask questions from 7 wonders of the world. First question, where is Taj Mahal located? Yes, Taj Mahal is located in our country, India. Next question, where is Machu Picchu located? Machu Picchu is located in Peru. Okay dears, in this class we are going to learn about national leaders of India. Dear students, look at this picture. Who is this? Yes, your answer is correct. This is Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was born on October 2nd, 1869 at Porbandar in Gujarat. Mahatma Gandhi was a sincere man. He never told a lie. He said, we should never fight. He taught the world non-violence. He made our country free in 1947. We celebrate his birthday as Gandhi Jayanti. Mahatma Gandhi is known as the father of our nation. Who is known as father of our nation? Yes, Mahatma Gandhi is known as father of our nation. Next one, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose is one of the Indian freedom fighters. He was born on 23rd of January in 1897. He played a major role in India's struggle for independence from the British rule. He is also called Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Next one, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Nehru was born on 14th November 1889 in Uttar Pradesh. He was a leader, politician and writer too. He loved children very much. Children also loved him very much. We celebrate his birthday as Children's Day. Next one, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was one of the dynamic and famous leaders of India. Patel was freedom fighter and participated in many freedom struggles against the British rules. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is known as Iron Man of India. Next one, Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Gopal Krishna Gokhale was born on 9th March 1866. He was a great freedom fighter of India. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Ambedkar was born on 14th April 1891 at Madhya Pradesh. He was a great lawyer, writer, historian and also one of the great political leaders. Next one, Rani Lakshmibai. Rani Lakshmibai was born on November 19th, 1835. Rani Lakshmibai dressed as a man. She had her baby strapped to her back. She held the horse reins in her mouth and held 2 swords in her hands. Next one, Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu was born on 13th February 1879 in Hyderabad. Sarojini Naidu is known as the Nightingale of India. Tirupur Kumaran. Tirupur Kumaran was born on 4th October 1904 in Chennimalai, Tamil Nadu. He involved himself in the Indian freedom movement in his young age, and he participated in many struggles in the Indian freedom movement. He was so patriotic that he died by holding the national flag of India, which was burned by the British government. Due to this incident, he is also called as Kodikatha Kumaran. Next, Kamarajar. Kamarajar was born on 15th July 1903 in Virudhunagar. His parents are Kumaraswamy Nadar and Sivagami Ammal. Kamarajar was a well-known Indian political leader, freedom fighter, and former Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. He is referred as Perunthalavar and Padikatha Medai in Tamil Nadu. We celebrate Kamarajar's birthday as Educational Development Day. Okay dears, once again I repeat the national leaders of India. Mahatma Gandhi, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Rani Lakshmibai, Sarojini Naidu, Tirupur Kumaran, K. Kamarajar. Homework for you. Fill in the blanks with given options. First question, Dash birthday is celebrated as Children's Day. Second one, Dash is known as Father of our nation. Third one, Dash birthday is celebrated as Educational Development Day. Fourth one, Dash is known as Nightingale of India. Fifth one, Dash is known as Iron Man of India. Do your homework, dears. Thank you all.